For the land of the free and the home
I'm Bill Clement.
And I'm Jim Houston. We're looking forward to a great game here tonight.
You know, it only takes one single point to determine home ice advantage in the NHL.
That's right. Every point is important, and I think these teams understand that. The Panthers win the faceoff. He's whacked.
Legal? No, I don't think so.
Saves. Roberts nails the puck from the right. He makes a move to get past Brewer. Picked up by the Carolina Hurricanes. Interception. Urbe, stop that. To Kapanen. Brewer takes over. He gets a hold of it.
That was a cheap hit. Tell you what, he better watch his back for the rest of this game.
Bob kicks it aside. Gets picked up by the Florida Panthers. Shoots! Hedeken passes it across. That's stopped. Carolina touches the puck for icing. We have a penalty that's been called. He's going to get called for roughing. The teams line up for the faceoff.
Florida penalty to number 42.
He gets the puck.
2 minutes for roughing.
It's one-on-one. He gets the puck. Jelena passes to his own blue line. He gets the puck. He's blasted. The goalie leaves the net on the delayed penalty call. Florida has the extra attacker on the delayed call. He passed it. Extra attacker out with the delayed penalty. Carolina gets the puck. Looks like Roberts is going to go for cross-checking.
Carolina penalty to number 10, Gary Roberts.
Snaps the puck.
2 minutes for cross-checking.
He gets a hold of it, picked up by the Florida Panthers. To win, Carolina will have to give their goalie a clear look at any shots, punish any opposition forwards that try to go to the front of their net, do a lot of hitting, and get a great game in between the pipes from Urbe. He fakes out Brewer. He collects the puck. Gets picked up by Bob. He fakes out Kapanen. Roberts steps back onto the ice as the penalty expires. He gets the puck. That's stopped. He dekes out Dmitri. Peterson intercepts the pass. Great hit. Pulse shoots. Hedeken gets possession. Great hit! Oh, what a save! He's flattened by Peterson. He shoots from the left. That's stopped. Shoots. Gets picked up by Dmitri. Peterson passes over to the wing. Rich Bob made the save. Granato collects the puck. He goes to it. He dekes out Coverley. That's stopped. It's one-on-one. Fine save made by Bob. It's one-on-one. He shoots. Urbe got a piece of that shot. Pass intercepted. Bob stops it. A delayed call against Florida. He's going to get called for roughing. Let's look at the replay.
Well, Jim, you break the rules, you go to the box. So says the man wearing the stripes.
Carolina took a loss on the road in their last game. They were beaten by Atlanta by a score of 5-3. Kapanen go to Coverley. Scores! Let's take another look at that goal.
The manpower and pays off in spades on this goal.
With that goal, Carolina now leads by a score of 1-0.
Jim, statistics show that scoring the first goal gives you a better than average chance of winning, but it's far from a guarantee.
Shoots! Bob stopped it. Great save!
Fans, in the event of a medical emergency, you can either ask an attendant
He's
for
going to the
assistance
box for that
or
slash.
visit the first aid station.
Here's the replay.
Carolina
If you start
goal
treating your
scored on
opponent
the
like a
power play
piñata, you
by
think you're going to get a
number
penalty?
16, Thomas Kaberla, assisted by number 8, Stefan Quintal, and
The
by
Panthers
number
win the
25,
faceoff. He gets
Joe
a hold of it.
Newendijk. Florida penalty to
It's
number
1-on-1.
91.
That
2 minutes
stop.
for
Carolina
splashing.
gets the puck to Newendijk. Rich took the shot. The save was made by Bob. Florida should be making a line change soon. It's 1-on-1. Quintal gets it. Newendijk scores! Let's look at the replay.
In this game, if you work hard, you're going to get rewarded with some goals.
With that goal, Carolina now leads by a score of 2-0.
A 2-goal cushion means they can play a bit more conservatively and wait for their chances. It doesn't mean they've got this game wrapped up.
Kapanen jolts him. Roberts with the puck.
Carolina goal scored by number 25,
Kicked aside.
Joe Newendijk.
He picks it up. He
Assisted by
shoots
number
from the
8,
left.
Stefan
Oh,
Quintal.
stopped by
Last
Bob.
minute of play in the first period.
Florida with the puck. Picked up by the Carolina Hurricanes. After one period, the Carolina Hurricanes lead 2-0. Hi, everybody, and welcome back for the second period.
Hey, drop the puck, ref. We're ready to call the game, right, Jim?
Carolina hasn't taken very many penalties. Both teams are getting lots of shots on goal. Both teams are throwing a lot of hits. And the puck. He scores! Here's the replay of that goal.
Watch how this comes together. He picks up the loose puck and takes a shot from the right side. Urbe tries to get a toe on it, but it gets past him anyway. Nice work.
Florida goal scored by number 23, assisted by number 62, and by number 16.
Urbe stops that. Gives it to Brewer. Oh, what a hit. Remember that number. It's 1-on-1. It's 1-on-1. He has it. He misses the pass. He collects the puck. He takes the shot. Urbe kept it out. He takes the puck. Picked up by the Carolina Hurricanes. He shoots. Bob saves. He goes to it. It's 1-on-1. Kaberle picks it up. The net is off its moorings. The ref gets ready to drop the puck. The Panthers win the faceoff. Urbe stopped it. To Granado. Great hit!
Oh, what a big hit. Bet that's going to leave a mark.
Great save! It's 1-on-1. Urbe makes the save. He shoots. Fearlessly blocked by the Carolina Hurricanes. He holds onto it. Florida puts its scoring line out. They move into position for the faceoff. Great save! Moves it to Hulse. Rich moves it ahead. Rich gets checked. Intercepted. Saved by Urbe. Moves it on to Rich. Rich gets hit. He takes the puck. Who blasted it from the right? Great save! Snap the puck. Hulse passes across. That stop. He collects the puck. Hulse gets hit. Urbe covers up the puck for the faceoff. Urbe is doing pretty well so far tonight.
As close to perfect as you can get, without actually being perfect.
Kapanen gets hit. Carolina takes the puck. It's one-on-one. Florida steals the pass. Great save. He takes the puck. Brewer gets the puck. Roberts moves it ahead. Blocker save by Bob. Interception. He deked out Brewer. He's stopped by Bob. Stolen by Jelena. Picked up by the Carolina Hurricanes. O'Neill passes it back. Kapanen gets the puck. Intercepted. Florida collects the puck. He scores! Let's take another look at this play.
In this game, if you work hard, you're going to get rewarded with some goals.
With that goal, Carolina now leads by a score of 3-1.
The next goal could make or break this game for them. A 3-goal lead gives you a couple of free mistakes. A 1-goal lead is precarious at the best of times.
Carolina goal.
He scores!
Scored by number 25, Joe Lewis.
Let's look at the replay.
Check this out. He takes the pass and takes a shot from the right side. The goalie tries to get a toe on it, but it gets past him anyway. Great play.
Peterson draws the puck back.
Florida goal.
It's
Scored by
one-on-one.
number
Bob
23.
stops that.
Assisted by number 16.
Urbe gobbles it up. Gives it to Hedican. Rich leans into a shot from the right. Bob made the save. Peterson. Bob kept it out. Florida should be making a line change soon. Urbe kicked it aside. Good save. Hedican gets the puck. He takes the puck. Carolina collects the puck. Shoots! He scores! Let's take a look at the replay.
You can't give up those big, fat, juicy rebounds and think you're not going to get scored on, because you are.
With that goal, it's tied 3-all.
Now they've given themselves a chance to take the lead here. Let's see what they can do with it.
Florida goal. Scored by number 42.
O'Neill
Assisted by number
shoots! That's
17.
stopped. Jelena gets it. Newendike gets hit. Saved!
Last minute of play in the second period.
It's one-on-one. He collects the puck. Shoots from the blue line. He's stopped after 40 minutes. It's 3-all. Hello and welcome back. The third period will be starting momentarily. Brewer snaps a BB from the point. Bob stopped it. Shoots! He's stopped. Volpot moves it ahead. Primo shoots! It was kept out by Bob. What a save! He is stopped. He takes the puck. Urbe misses the pass. One-timer! One-timer! Volpot moves it ahead. Saved! He gets a hold of it. Brewer moves it on. The pass was intercepted. Picked up by Hedican. Volpot passes across. Rich leans into a shot from the neutral zone. Hulse takes over. To Peterson. Rich leans into a shot. He scores! Here's the replay.
Backhanders tend not to be particularly hard shots, but sometimes it's difficult for the goalie to get a read on it.
Carolina goal. Scored
Florida
by number
gobbles it
3.
up.
Wilkes, assisted by number 6, Eric
He fakes out
Peterson.
Kapanen. Picked up by the Carolina Hurricanes. Jelena shoots the puck. That's stopped. He picks it up. Neuendijk moves it on. O'Neill. Stopped him. Kaberlev collects the puck. Florida picks it up.
What a hit!
Urbe makes a stick save. Hedeken passes it across. Peterson throws a body check. Roberts, he is stopped. Kapanen throws a nice hit. That's icing. They move into position for the faceoff. Granato checks him. Hulse takes the puck. Carolina goes to it. Peterson, Bob, saves it. He collects the puck. Shoots. Urbe makes the save. Great hit. He holds on to it.
Ticket holders, if you're interested in reserved parking, please contact us at 555-PARK.
The ref gets ready to drop the puck. The Florida Panthers win the faceoff. That's stopped. Intercepted. Kaberlev with the puck. Shelina moves it ahead. Carolina beats out the icing call. He takes the puck. It's one-on-one. Neuendijk collects the puck. He shoots. He's stopped. He gets the puck. Florida should be making a line change soon. He's stopped. He picks it up. He fakes out Brewer. Shoots! Kicked aside. He's checked. Carolina gets it. He's nailed. That's icing against the Florida Panthers. Timeout has been called.
Well, after a timeout, the advantage is everybody is rested and the coach can pick from his entire bench.
He takes the puck. Shoots! It's off the post! He's checked. He goes to it. That's stopped. He is checked. Under 1 minute to go in the game. He scores! Let's take another look at how the puck ended up in the net.
The quickness of the release by taking a wrist shot instead of a slap shot can give you that split-second edge you need to get the puck past the goalie.
O'Neill wins the draw.
Florida goal.
He blasted it from the point. Good save. Intercepted.
Assisted by
So far,
number 62.
it's tied. 4-all.
By number 16. Fans, don't forget to show up for FanFest next Friday. The fun gets started at 1 p.m.
Carolina puts its checking line out. The ref gets ready to drop the puck. Peterson hits him. He takes the puck. He's stopped. He one-tangs it. Offside against Florida. Florida puts its second line out. The teams line up for the faceoff. Carolina takes possession. O'Neill gets hit. Florida gets the puck. Brewer moves it into the middle. He's nailed. Bob stops it. Kapanen goes to it. Roberts shoots from the point. That's stopped. Bob Bob saves! O'Neill gets it. Kapanen gets the puck. He's in on goal. That's stopped. O'Neill gets the puck to Brewer. It's one-on-one. It was kept out by Bob.
Last minute of play in the overtime period.
A one-timer. Carolina beats out the icing call. At the end of overtime, this one is still tied, so we'll go.
Receive team sets of special.
The whistle blows. He starts out. Great save.
For Carolina, number 25, Joe Nieuwendyk. Next shooter.
The whistle
for
blows.
Florida,
He
number
starts out.
13.
He scores.
Next shooter for
He starts out. Shelna shoots the puck. He gets the goal.
Florida goal.
The whistle blows. He starts out.
Number 23. Carolina goal. Scored by number 23. Martin.
The whistle blows. He starts out. Oh, what a save!
Next shooter.
The whistle blows. He starts out.
17.
Takes the shot. He finished it off.
Next shooter for Carolina.
He starts out.
Number 9.
Nice save.
Florida goal. Scored by number 17. Next shooter for
The whistle
Florida,
blows. He
number
starts
16.
out.
Next shooter
He
for
starts out.
Carolina, number 8.
Detail. Bob
Stefan
kept it
Cantor.
out.
And
That's
now
it.
for
This one
tonight's
is over.
Twin Peaks